Welcome to Lesson 3. In this lesson, we are going to look at the topic of developing a privacy program. Now, you should have a reasonable understanding of the fact that privacy issues are complex. There are no quick fix solutions to protecting the privacy of personal information, and organizations developing a privacy program for the first time will need to expend considerable effort designing that program, implementing appropriate privacy controls, and monitoring the program's ongoing effectiveness to ensure that it continues to meet the organization's legal obligations and privacy objectives. At the outset of a privacy initiative, senior leadership should outline the vision, strategy, and goals of the privacy program. These provide the high-level direction that those implementing the program will need to guide their efforts. 1. Vision and strategy. The vision defines the overarching purpose of the privacy program. Example, the U.S. Department of Commerce, DOC, is committed to safeguarding personal privacy, aiming to foster trust in government and commerce. Strategy outlines how the organization will achieve its vision, emphasizing leadership, partnership, and adherence to best privacy practices. 2. Goals. Goals translate the vision and strategy into actionable objectives. Example, the DOC's privacy program has for primary goals: foster a culture of privacy and disclosure, provide outreach and education for privacy promotion, conduct robust compliance and oversight programs, develop and maintain skilled privacy professionals. 3. Objectives. Objectives are specific activities aligned with each goal to achieve the mission. Example, for the third goal, review and assess DOC programs for privacy compliance. Ensure systematic reporting and processing of privacy incidents. Evaluate DOC activities for compliance with privacy laws. Slide image, illustration showing the alignment between vision, strategy, goals, and objectives. Crafting a clear vision, strategy, goals, and objectives is essential for effective privacy program management. These elements provide a roadmap for implementation, ensuring alignment with organizational values and priorities. Executive support and resource needs. The success of the privacy program hinges on securing time from team members, funds for direct costs, and authority for policy enforcement. First, the importance of executive support. Essential for obtaining necessary resources and authority. Ensures alignment with organizational goals and priorities. Role of executive sponsor. Acts as the program's advocate within the leadership. Must align with and support the program's vision and strategy. Provides guidance and removes obstacles to program implementation. Securing sponsorship. Identify an executive willing to champion the program. Ensure their full agreement with the program's goals and methodologies before proceeding. Establish clear expectations and communication channels with the sponsor. Executive support is critical for the success of the privacy program. By securing sponsorship, the program gains credibility, resources, and authority needed for effective implementation. Next important thing is ensuring business alignment. Finalize the business case for privacy. Privacy managers must be able to justify the investments of time and money that they expect the organization to make in the privacy program. This requires identifying how privacy supports business goals, and clearly articulating the return on investment that senior leaders should expect. Identify stakeholders. There are many different stakeholders who play a role in achieving the objectives of a privacy program. These include information security, human resources, marketing, legal, procurement, and other specialists. It's important to bring these stakeholders into the process early and engage them in the privacy program. Leverage key functions. In addition to involving other business functions as stakeholders in the privacy program, privacy managers should leverage the expertise of those functions to achieve privacy objectives. For example, privacy professionals spend much of their time analyzing and interpreting legal requirements. The organization's legal team can play an invaluable role assisting with this work. Similarly, most organizations have communications teams that can assist with communicating privacy messages. Create a process for interfacing within the organization. The privacy team will often work closely with other teams in the organization and should have clearly defined processes for these interactions. For example, the information technology team will likely have to carry out much of the technical work of the privacy program. Privacy professionals should understand the service management processes used by that team and take advantage of that knowledge to improve their ability to work together. Align organizational culture and privacy, data protection objectives. Every organization has a unique culture, and navigating that culture is crucial to the success of internal initiatives. Privacy professionals should understand the culture of their organization and use that knowledge to successfully advance privacy objectives. Lastly, maintain flexibility, adapting to change. Privacy programs must have clearly stated objectives, but remain flexible to accommodate evolving requirements. Leaders must monitor legislative, regulatory, market, and business changes to ensure program relevance. Flexibility in strategy. Flexibility should extend to all aspects of the privacy strategy. Adaptations may be necessary to accommodate various regulatory requirements, business needs, and cultural norms in different geographic areas. Flexibility is essential for the long-term success of a privacy program. By staying adaptable to change, organizations can effectively address emerging challenges and maintain compliance with evolving regulations.